friends. Welcome to Build and Run. This episode, just like every other episode, is brought to you by VRVU.com. You need some VR, AR, 360 video done for you? Go to VRVU.com. So Build and Run is essentially a podcast, a real VR podcast for Unity developers. And what we try to do is have essentially a live coding session, sometimes with no code at all. And this is one of the deviations from that original format, even though we'll try to kind of stick with it. But this is what's called VRathon. It is a VR hackathon where we focus on iteration and essentially episodic content. So we're hoping to make an episode for you every week, if not more than once a week. But once a week is kind of enough. You should get enough hackathon off that, because we as developers love hackathons. And if there was a hackathon every weekend, that would be magical. So instead of wishing and dreaming and thinking, we just did. So we just started hacking. And we're hacking today at NYU ITP, New York University Interactive Technology Program. So this is a space that is full of innovation and technology, especially with virtual reality and augmented reality. As a matter of fact, this very episode, we are very late producing it because for the majority of the day we were with Kyle McDonald, and he was doing a one-day super massive workshop on computer vision, CV. And we were fortunate enough to be able to record most of it. So the upcoming episodes, essentially the bonus content for this VRathon is going to be Kyle McDonald's CV class, or the majority of it. And we'll be able to have the notes for you, a lot of the downloadables. It's really magical stuff, and really some low-level deep dive as to how the math behind this works. Today we are fortunate enough to work with the Google Tango. Google Tango is a prototype tablet from Google. It is literally the most advanced tablet known to man, the most powerful tablet. It has something like 128 gigs of space standard. I believe it also has the SD card. It's got an HDMI out. It has a powerful graphics card, an Atom processor, literally top-notch performance out of a tablet. You cannot buy a faster, better performing tablet on earth. And the most magical part is on the back of this. It has essentially what is a Kinect sensor, a full infrared photo sensor array, where it has not only the back camera needed for like augmented reality, but it has depth sensors. So it's able to create very realistic, very accurate representations of this real world through augmented reality. And to add objects to that, add 3D objects to that, that is what we do. That is augmented reality. And it's also capable of virtual reality. We can definitely dive into the virtual reality parts of this as well. We most likely will. But what this is going to start out as is we're just going to hack. We're going to hack this technology here live with you, and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this second iteration of VRathon. That's VRathon.com. The podcast is build-run.com, and this and every episode is brought to you by VRVU.com. So enjoy the internet age where everything starts and ends with a .com. Thank you.